Hi everyone, this is Nusrat Khan here from Cactus Foundation, and it's almost like it'll be a week after the Beyond Borders conference got over. We had the chat show last Sunday, and it was a very overwhelming experience. I'm making this video especially to thank each one of you, our speakers, our panelists, our attendees, the registration, the people who registered but couldn't make it for some reason, and also to all the survivors who attended this conference. I have the numbers with me, I have the statistics with me. We were able to reach 29 different countries across the globe, and we had people all over the world, right from our home country, India, to people from Mexico, from Palestine, from Oman, from various places, so 29 different countries. My heart is filled with gratitude for all of you. But the major hallmark that I want to talk and discuss is I was able to get connected with 471 survivors who registered for this conference. So Cactus Foundation is helping these 471 survivors who have now mailed us after the conference about their stories, and they feel safe sharing their stories. So I can't thank each one of you. I can't thank you enough, because the trust that is being shown and the responsibility that is being given to us is something that fills my heart with a lot of gratitude and humility. As a survivor of child sexual abuse myself, this kind of gives me a lot of strength to continue in my journey of fighting against child sexual abuse. And I know that I'm not alone. I have such lovely people. For an organization with just 5 volunteers, to get like 1,500 registrations in a matter of 2 to 3 weeks, and to have like consistently 400 to 500 people attend each day of the conference. And we got some amazing feedback, and we tried our best to put our best foot forward. There may be a few things that we may have missed or we may not have been able to do, but I'm sure you all are very empathetic, and you will give us that scope to learn and grow for our next events that are to come. So a big thank you. And this 1 week has been enormous. We are all still taking time to kind of absorb that thing into our system of especially the love, the tears, the hope, and the trust that the survivors are showing in our work. And I can't thank each one of you enough. The infographic explaining all the figures, how many people attended and how many registrations, which countries, and how many people from each country. Everything is going to be up, on the what you call as social media pages. But for now, I am just asking you to be a little patient, because as I promised, very soon you will be getting the videos of all the questions that you have asked in the day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4 chat box during the conference. And we are making videos out of those questions, and we will be back, and we will be talking to you. And we want you to kindly propagate and tell people to kind of, even if they just follow us, that's going to be like an amazing help to this movement. And as I mentioned on the last day, and I want to make this turn this on record. On the day 4, the conference was supposed to be lasting for 1.5 or maximum 2.5 hours, but we almost went on for 5.5 hours. We began at 5:30 and we almost ended at 11:15. And then again, a few people connected with us, so it went till 11:30. Non-stop stories, non-stop sobbing from the other end, non-stop the horror that people went through. And it was very difficult for us to hear those stories. But I am so happy that these survivors got that strength through the conference, through the way we designed the event, and they have come forward. And as I said, I have got almost 470 mails in my personal inbox, in the Cactus Foundation inbox, where survivors are sharing their stories. So I think we have been able to make at least 1% of impact to this entire thing through the conference. A lot of events, a lot of programs are going to be rolled on online, so that all of us work together. So stay tuned and keep watching your mail, because we will be sending you mails about our work and about the posts and about videos, and everything that we promised, we are going to try and get it into the system. And as I said, let's hold hands, let's do it together, because if we have to, you can say, create the dent that we have been talking about, we all have to be united, and we all have to be together, and we all have to speak up, and we all have to just do it for the sake of our children and for the sake of every person around you. Any survivor who's watching this, who's not attended the conference, can also mail us on foundationcactus@gmail.com or WhatsApp us on +91 8888441636. Thank you so much. That's all that I can say. I hope I'm able to convey. I'm really, really thankful on behalf of my entire team, on behalf of Cactus Foundation, on behalf of every person who contributed for this conference. A big thank you. Thank you so much.